Boys, would you rather have 10 sons or 10 daughters?
10 sons for sure, bro. I'd make an army of billionaires and my family would become trillionaires.
10 daughters, bro, 100%.
And why is that, Joe?
Why in the absolute freaking hell would you want 10 daughters, Joe?
Do the math, smartass. 10 daughters plus each one of them will also have girlfriends. Think about the amount of meow we're talking about.
Holy freaking crap, Sleepy Joe is a genius.
Imagine the amount of poom-poom each daughter is going to be bringing back to the house on the daily.
You are absolutely correct, Joe. I can't believe I'm saying this, but you are actually making sense for once.
You're both sick in the head. It's your daughter's friends you're talking about here.
Damn, I guess you're right, Obama. The fact that it's my daughter's friends makes it
Makes it even better.